let's talk about
Palm Springs.
and some that's not scripted at all. Let's talk about some places you can visit in 1 or 2 days to get some amazing Instagram shots and some funny places, some interesting places and some random places, but you have to see them because they're super beautiful. Good morning, guys! So, it's super early in the morning, Palm Springs. It is super chilled, super great, really enjoy it, not too hot, but the sun is already out. And it's wonderful. Look at this. Let's start with our first point. I would definitely recommend going when you're in Palm Springs. That's obviously the Palm Springs sign. It's super beautiful. It's at the north entrance of Palm Springs. So when you look at Google, just look up in the north, you will find it there. Just type Palm Springs sign, you will find it. When you go there, go in the evening.
Yeah,
because sunset, because we had super beautiful light. So you can do all of that in one day, what we tell you here, but if you have one night, try to do this at the first evening so that you have the golden hour from sunset on the second day. So go there at the evening, round about 6 to 7 p.m. I think was the time when we were there. Try to get some shots through the palms, try to get some shots at the sign by itself. And it's super beautiful. I really enjoyed the pictures and editing.
And you can take some pictures at the desert. There's a little desert next to it.
Yeah, when you drive just a little further, you can do it there. If you have spare time and you still have some sunlight, don't just stay there. Take there some snaps and go further and shoot there in the surrounding area. Woo! I just can't believe how beautiful the light is here. I just have to turn the camera that way and I have the most perfect epic light ever. I don't have to do anything. I just take the camera, point it at Claudia, and it's super beautiful. Wow, wow, wow. Just epic. Next is the drive to Palm Springs Valley through the desert. I really can recommend that. Maybe don't do it like we did it in July.
No, it's too hot.
We drove from Palm Springs to Palm Springs Valley. We wanted to go to the Palm Oasis. I will link down the Palm Oasis where you can find it. It's the best when you go there around about January to March, I think they said.
Yeah, but it's not that hot.
Yeah, so we drove there and even the drive there is just worth the ride. It's run about an hour. Straight to the desert, you have epic landscape, the shapes of the rocks and all this stuff is super amazing. Yeah, it's really worth going there. You can do some amazing shots there. Just try to go early in the morning when it's not even that hot. When you go in July, August, because we had 46, 47 degrees, I think that's round about 120 Fahrenheit. Yeah, but going to the Palm Springs Valley, really worth a visit. You will have some amazing pictures when you come home from that, and you only need 2 to 3 hours, so you have enough spare time to go to some other places we show you, or I tell you in a few seconds. It felt not very safe, and because it's 44 degrees or 100 and something Fahrenheit, and here's no one, and we are not really known where to go, we decided it's more clever and safer just to look around here where there's a little bit of civilization instead of going back there to the rocks. I think the hiking path goes over there without knowing what would happen if we go there and without knowing where exactly we are going. Yeah, so what do we learn? Be more prepared. So, before this camera also dies because of heat, because this little body here turned off because of overheating when this lady was running out in the sun.
Yes.
So, we will jump back to the car, let the cameras cool down, and then drive slowly back.
Let us cool down.
Let us cool down, yeah, you're right. And then we will see what we find on our way. And the next spot where we shot a beautiful, or more a fun Instagram shot is the Dinosaur Park. Dinosaur Park sounds funny. Sounds funny to us. Sounded funny to us when we were there, but it's really worth a visit. It's just 20 minutes up from Palm Springs, round about that.
Yeah.
And you find there some huge dinosaurs where you can make funny pictures. And green. It's really worth there going because they have those two huge dinosaurs. You can even go into one of those. It's some kind of a museum or something like that. And we made some beautiful, beautiful shots up there. And additionally to that, you're more or less on the way to the third spot. We would recommend you. Guys, look how crazy those windmills look. That is epic. Guys, next spot. Look at this. Isn't that crazy? You know, in Switzerland and Germany you find one or two of them in a spot, and here there are just thousands of them. It looks like there are 1,000. Yes. So crazy. I know we're jumping fast from spot to spot, but the windmills are quite near to the dinosaurs, so that's pretty convenient to go there after that, because if you've seen the one thing, you definitely should check out the other thing. And when you timed it right, when you went to the dinosaurs, I think around about an hour before sunset, you choose to spend there around about 20 minutes. Then you drive 10 minutes and you're at the windmills. I will link down the coordinates where you can park your car and walk a little bit into the windmills to shoot there at sunset. It's super beautiful, it's super nice, it's super windy. Be prepared for that. So no shoots with your head on your head. We're trying to get it closer for some more intense shots, but the wind is very strong. And now it seems logical where they placed the windmills straight here, because it's windy as hell. But it's so cool. The wind is so warm, like it would blow your hair with an air blower. Jesus mother. But it's really worth, and I show you some scenes from there. And after that, I want to tell you one place you maybe want to go, but you maybe shouldn't. And last thing I wanted to talk about is a place when you will Google, you will find it, and a lot of people recommend going to a special neighborhood in Palm Springs. We also went there, but we never shot any pictures there. We came there, we understand why people come there and do pictures, because it's really beautiful. It's a beautiful neighborhood with beautiful housings, and the housings are very special, and when you're there with the right light, I totally get it. But you're shooting properties of other people. When you go to Instagram and check those pictures out, I will not link it. You see the people going on the property of the people, and when you go there now, you have everywhere no pictures, don't come to my property signs, and that for a reason. So don't go to other people's properties, please don't do that. You have many other places in Palm Springs, yeah, where you can go to shoot. For example, the In-N-Out is really a spot we missed, but you could go there. It's super beautiful to shoot there. They have a really old school sign, and just Palm Springs by itself is super beautiful. Or just go to Coachella and shoot there. So I hope you in any kind found this video some helpful. If you have any questions, just hit us up in the comment box. And if you're interested where we were shooting all of those scenes here, super beautiful, follow us, turn on post notification to see upcoming videos where we shot this video. So hope you liked this video. See you guys in the next one. Bye.
Bye.